While the Faiba application is great, sometimes you just need the good old USSD menu for quick bundles, right? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to enable or activate USSD on your JTL Faiba SIM card so that you can use star 544 or any other USSD menu. The first step is usually going to your phone settings application and then scroll down to where you will see SIM cards and mobile networks. Tap on it and then tap on your Faiba. And somewhere on your screen, you should see access point names. Tap on it. And then you should see somewhere a plus icon, which is on the bottom of my screen. New APN. Tap on it once. Go to the first option, name, and then tap on it. And then type IMS. And then tap OK button. Go to the APN. Tap on it once. And then type IMS. OK. And then you need to scroll down on the list to where you will see the APN type. This one, APN type. And then tap on it once. And then type IMS. And then tap on the OK button. And leave other options as default as you found them. And after that, go back. And then save the changes. OK. After saving the settings, you need to go back to your dial pad. And then type this code *#*86583 and then #*#*. And then you should see this message, Volte carrier check was disabled. And after that, if you dial *544 on your smartphone and then select the Faiba, you should see that you can access some bundles menu. Maybe I want to access option 3. You see I can buy bundles from here, right? And it is that simple. Be productive and see you on the next one.